Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting Coin Master tutorial. If you're a fan of the game, you know that cards are a huge part of building your collection and leveling up. Today, we're focusing on one of the most versatile cards out there, the Joker card. This is especially relevant for 2025, with some cool updates that make it even more powerful. So, let's dive right in. First off, what's a Joker card? In Coin Master, the Joker card is a special wild card that lets you exchange it for any card you need to complete your sets. It's like a get-out-of-jail-free card for your collection. But how do you use it effectively? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Obtain the Joker card. You can get one by spinning the slot machine, completing card sets, or trading with friends. In the 2025 update, there's a higher chance of pulling Jokers from events, so keep an eye on those. Step 2. Access your card inventory. Once you have the Joker, head to the card section in the game menu. Tap on the Joker card, and you'll see an option to trade or convert. Step 3. Choose your replacement. Select the card you want to trade it for. Remember, Jokers can only be used for cards you're missing in a set, so plan ahead. The 2025 version adds a preview feature, showing what sets you can complete. Step 4. Confirm and enjoy. After trading, your new card will be added instantly. Pro tip. Use Jokers during events for bonus rewards, like extra spins or coins. Avoid wasting them on common cards. Save for rares to maximize your progress. One common mistake is holding onto Jokers too long. Don't hoard them. The game updates might change their value. With these tips, you'll be dominating your villages in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Coin Master strategies, and drop a comment below on how you've used your Joker cards. See you in the next video. Keep spinning and winning.